guys, welcome to today's video, and in today's video,
we're unboxing
Disney Rewind popcorn buckets. I've already done a video on my mom's channel, and we got these, guys.
Let's see which one we can get.
So, on this, you can get Hercules, a mouse, I don't remember the name, Dumbo, Wally we already have, and we already have the mouse, Tinkerbell, and a mystery
Guys, well, mystery.
There's 7 models.
Yeah,
Let's
popcorn.
open this first one.
Yeah, let's see what's inside. What's inside of it, Gabe?
I don't know.
Maybe it's gonna be Dumbo. Should it be Dumbo?
Okay, I've taken off all
Or
the
the
plastic.
mystery?
Oh, I know who it is. We're not gonna look yet at the card. Okay, you ready? Here's the
Yeah.
key back. Let's open it. It's
Tinkerbell!
So let's line them up together. Okay, we have all those 3. Here's the card. We have the card for those 2 on a shelf. So let's put Tinkerbell next to them. Let's put Wally
I love to
up.
play with her.
Yeah, I know. Okay, now do this.
Okay.
Okay. Now, ready? Okay, I think this,
I think it's Dumbo.
you think it's Dumbo?
Yeah.
I think it's Hercules.
No, I hope it's the mystery. Gabe, I hope it's the mystery.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see the mystery.
Now we don't know who's inside.
Maybe it's Dumbo.
Or Hercules.
Or the.
Okay.
Or.
Oh! It's... I haven't looked at the card yet. I'm gonna be surprised. It's... Tinkerbell! Again!
Seriously.
Yeah, seriously.
I'm
We have 2. Well, we got 2 Tinkerbells.
Yeah,
That's nice.
And mouse.
So yeah, guys. See you in the next video.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.